Hi, welcome to today's core vocabulary and action video. Our core vocabulary word that we will be targeting today is get. Get is a verb, and get means to receive something. All right, now let's find our word get on our different AAC systems. On WordPower 60 Basic, the TouchChat app from Sotillo, get. On the LAMP Words for Life, the full vocabulary from PRC, get. On Snap Core First vocabulary from Toby Dynavox, get. Now let's use our word get for different functions of communication. I could give a command or direct an action and say, get your pink folder. I could comment. I could say, I need to get to bed early tonight because I have to get up for school in the morning. I could negotiate. I could say, if I get all of my chores done, can I watch a movie? I could request an activity. I could ask, can we get Subway for dinner? I could Rejector Protest and say, no, get away from me. I could ask a question. I could say, can Grandma get me from school today? And I could label. I could say, that is where my mom gets groceries.